Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening UFIN and creating a new island so you have a sandbox to iterate in. First, pick a template that matches the game flow you want. This speeds prototyping. Once done, enable creative devices, game settings, mutators, objective manager, because they control rules, rounds, and scoring. You should also place a player spawn, set teams, and save a version named with a date. This makes rollbacks easy. Make sure to test a quick local playthrough immediately to confirm core systems load. You now build the core mechanics using verse and device wiring so the game actually behaves. Start by scripting match flow, lobby, pre-round countdown, round timer, and end conditions. Next, wire triggers to sequencers and HUD updates so players get immediate feedback. This prevents confusion and helps balance. Once that's stable, iterate on spawning, cooldowns, and scoring weights. Play a few rounds, collect data, and tweak numbers. Make sure to comment your verse functions. You will thank yourself later. You finish by polishing visuals, performance, and usability before publishing. First, run a playtest with a small group, note bugs and unclear rules, then prioritize fixes that block core flow. Next, optimize performance, remove unused assets, combine meshes, and reduce frequent script polling to keep frame rates stable. When ready, publish and set permissions so others can join. If players report crashes or desyncs, check the analytics, reproduce locally, and isolate the offending device or verse loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.